Fix the root cause, not just the symptoms. Why is that you eat less, try harder, and follow every rule? Yet your PCOS symptoms refuse to improve. If you have asked this question even once to yourself, then don't skip this video. Because the answer has nothing to do with willpower, and it has everything to do with what no one ever explained to you. In the next few minutes, I'm going to share what most nutritionists and doctors don't share it with you directly. Not because they're hiding it, it's because how PCOS is treated completely different in their way. Hello all, this is Aklima Shad, clinical nutritionist. I'm a mother of two and I have done multiple PCOS transformations pan-India and abroad. By the end of this video, you will understand that why PCOS common advices fail, what your body is trying to secretly signal you, and what are the best possible approaches which can be changed, and what finally needs to change for symptoms to improve in the long run. Here's the truth. PCOS does not start as a hormone disorder. Hormones are responders. They react to deeper problems like blood sugar imbalance, insulin resistance, chronic stress, and inflammation. When those stay unresolved, hormones go out of sync. Treating the hormones is like fixing the alarm without putting out the fire. Truth 1. PCOS is not a hormonal problem first. Truth 2. Your body is in survival mode. Most women with PCOS are not indisciplined. Their bodies are stuck in survival mode. When your system feels unsafe, it holds on to weight. It suppresses ovulation, disrupts periods, and increases cravings. Your body isn't fighting you, it's protecting you. Truth number 3, weight loss is not the first goal. This is something very few people say very clearly. Weight loss is not the starting point in PCOS healing. Stability is. Stable meals, stable blood sugar, and stable stress response. When stability comes first, weight loss follows naturally. When weight loss is forced too early, symptoms get worse. Let me share a patient's journey. I worked with a woman who had no periods for 8 months. She was eating clean, exercising daily, and doing everything right. Her issue wasn't effort, it was timing, insulin stress, and poor recovery. Once we fixed those, her cycles returned without extreme measures. That's not miracle. That is biology working correctly in sync. Truth number 4. Supplements don't fix foundations. Another uncomfortable truth. Supplements don't treat PCOS. They only support what's already working. If meals are inconsistent, protein is too low, and stress is constantly on a high, no supplement can override that. Yet many women are taking multiple pills and still struggling. Now, why do generalized PCOS plans fail? Most PCOS plans fail for one simple reason. They assume that PCOS is the same for every woman. But PCOS can be driven by insulin resistance, adrenal stress, gut inflammation, or a mixture of all of these. Treating everyone the same delays results. Personalization isn't optional, it is essential. So what happens when the root cause is fixed? When the root cause is addressed properly, periods regulate, cravings get fixed, energy improves, weight becomes responsive, and your most favorite, skin and hair, improve gradually. Not overnight, but sustainably. PCOS doesn't worsen quickly, it worsens quietly. Over time, unmanaged issues can lead to fertility struggles, metabolic issues, and chronic fatigue. The earlier you address it, the easier is the recovery. This is exactly why we introduced our PCOS root cause program. Not to control, but to correct what's driving them. No extreme diets, no generic templates, no lifelong dependency. Just a clear, structured, systematic approach based on your body. If this video finally made sense to you, trust that feeling. Book a consultation, let us identify your root cause and fix it properly. You don't need more discipline, you need right strategy. Your body isn't broken, it's asking for the right support.